How many Saturdays have you spent mowing your yard instead of actually enjoying it? Every time I watch this thing work, I keep thinking, this is time that I have just gotten back. This is the Segway Navimo. You've got the X430 and the X450, and they're built for people with larger properties who are ready to stop spending every weekend behind a mower. The X430 covers up to 1 acre, while the X450 handles up to about an acre and a half, and neither one of these needs a perimeter wire buried in the yard. Instead, you're just going to map your property in the app on your phone. You set your schedule, your preferences, and it takes care of mowing automatically. So instead of mowing once a week and then ending up with a lawn that always looks a little overgrown, these little lawnmowers mow really frequently. And they do just tiny trims, so that way your yard always looks freshly cut and maintained, rather than getting shaggy and then scalped. Plus, you never have the big clumps of dead grass all over the place, turning your good grass yellow. It's also surprisingly quiet, like it's almost creepy how quiet this thing is. So it can actually mow while you're outside enjoying your yard instead of interrupting it. Fair warning though, once you get one of these, you're going to start giving your neighbors dirty looks when they fire up their gas-powered mowers and nobody in the neighborhood can hear anything. If you've been looking for a way to stop giving up your weekends to lawn care, I'm going to put the orange shopping cart link on this video so you can.